Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix you can save your photos on your phone on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat, you can save your photos on your phone. You should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about this window of Snapchat. When you will enter to this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.